Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI photos with just a few clicks using your photo in the Wings AI. So in here, I've already opened the Wings apps on my phone, and on the homepage, you can just scroll down until you find the AI art, this one. So tap on the AI art, and in here you can see there are lots of styles and also effects filter that you can add to your photos. You can use which one that you want to use. For example, in here I'm going to use, okay, let's try to use this pixel game. Oh, apparently this one is VIP, so I'm going to just find the free one. Let's find, okay, let's use this city option. Tap on the one that you want to use, tap on generate, and now you can just select the photos. For example, I'm going to use, okay, this photos right here. Let's just wait. Okay, so now it's done. So you can see this is the before and here is the after, and in here you can also choose the effects. For example, this one, a butterfly. Okay, let's just try the glitch one. So after the photo is generated, you can always use the effects if you want to, but if you don't want to use the effects, you can just click on save, and then your photos will be saved as still photos. But if you choose to use effects, now it will turn to a video, so it will show the before and here the after. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.